last night, so does fatigue play a role? Can you run them? And
the league in shooting, Poole with Clay, Dante, Looney, and Draymond. And Jordan.
The rebound team's in the league third there, and they get a lot of second chance points. Then take care of the ball. They force his 10th game,
and that's why when you go, they're 9-25.
Expect maybe the team that beat them.
Dante was ill at the end of that road trip. Got healthy, played so well on Christmas. Clay Thompson
to go around like 4 players. Gave Clay enough time.
Now, LaMelo Ball.
That's where they can't have success.
Clay Thompson dropping in and out. Wanted the split action. Draymond setting up Clay for another triple. Here taking it back. Nice finish. Originally a Celtic, traded for Kemba Walker. And Jordan Poole.
Thing last season, and this summer he worked with his trainer and switched.
Steve Clifford teams don't turn the ball over. That's the other issue. He was Orlando when he was here in Charlotte the first time. Draymond, little push shot, and Remy does that a lot though. He's the center version of Alvarado. Poole down the lane. Jordan flipping. Charlotte haven't played last night. Cycle it to P.J. Washington again. The Warriors fortunate here. But LaMelo Ball with the rebound.
So we've seen this before. Bad three-point shooting, offensive rebounds. Warriors have to know that.
Anthony Lamb checking in and dropping it.
Jerome knows. He opened up the lane for Ty Jerome a few times.
Rozier. And you saw Wise ball for a guard. Clay steps into a three. He's got... I'd say, but you're spending New Year's Eve in Vegas.
That's
Daniels on Kuminga. Shot clock down to 3. And there is Mark Williams.
Pretty crazy. He hasn't had a ton of attempts, but he's really respectable out there from three-point range and everywhere.
And Daniels catching.
Look at Wiseman there.
See, Clay's not quick shotting. Big to big passing, and Wiseman.
Man involved, throw it up to him.
I think Jonathan's passing the last couple weeks is just taking it to a new level for him.